Students, here you can see we have the Pakistani system of number. Number one is the Pakistani system of numbers. Students, you can see we have two type of rows. In first row I have write their periods. There are 4 periods for 9 digits. One is ones, second one is thousand, then lakh, and then crore. Students, in second line we have write down the place values. Here I have write their short forms, and here we have their details. You can see we have O for ones, T for tens, H for hundreds, TH for thousands, and TTH for 10,000s, L for lakhs, TL for 10 lakh, C for crores, and TC for 10 crores. Now students, I have write down the digits in our next line. You can see here when you write to start the digits, you will write from the left side, and when you write the values, you will start from right side. Always remember, place value will be written from the right side and digits will be written from the left side. Now here you have seen I have here write down here 4 in 10 crore column, and 0 for crore in crore column, again 0 in 10 lakh column, again 3 in lakh column, and so on. Students, you will write the digits in words according to their place values, and here you can see I have put the commas. Commas will be write down according to their periods. Here you can see I have in one period, here we have 3 columns, so I have write down the comma after 3 digits. In thousand column we have 2 digits, so I have write the comma, I have put the comma after 2 digits. Again in lakh column I have 2 digits, so I put the comma after 2 digits, and in crore column I have also 2 digits. So now according to their place value we will giving them the name and write them in words. Here you can see we have 40 in crore column, so I have write down here 40 crores. Here lakh, in lakh column we have nothing in 10 lakh column, so only in lakh column we have 3 digits, so I have write down here 3 lakh. In thousand column we have 62, so I have write down here 62,000. In 100 we have 100. Here 49 in 10 and 1 column, so I have write down here and 49. So what the digit is 40 crore 3 lakh 62,149. Okay.